Get in the spirit with the Yuletide log on YouTube. For that, I'm using my Fire Stick and Amazon Music through my Alexa. Make sure that you stick to a theme, so over the years you may accumulate many different types of ornaments, but each year you might only want to focus on certain ones. For this year, my focus was on the buffalo check pattern rather than a country rustic theme, which is more of what we did last year. Below, I'm going to link a video that I found super helpful for decorating my Christmas tree. This tree was about $50 maybe 6 years ago, maybe 7 years ago, and I really elevated the look of it this year through the tips that I learned through that video, so definitely take a look. My next tip is to make sure that you're looking for deals right after the season ends. So this I grabbed at TJ Maxx for $2 at the end of last season. And that's the best time to snag a lot of deals at all stores. I wish it didn't record sideways, but my next tip is to use command hooks and command strips. We use these for permanent uses in our home, but also especially for the Christmas season when we want to remove things after a certain amount of time. They're quick, easy, and don't damage the walls. I also recommend looking to purchase these at Christmas tree shops if you have one near you, because I found that the prices are better than at other retailers. My next tip comes directly from HGTV. I have over 15 years watching this program, and one of the biggest takeaways is to group decor items in groups of odd numbers, so 1, 3, 5, etc., just like I have here with the snow globe, the basket, and the bottle brush tree. This is the corner of my living room, and I like the decor here, but if we're going based on groups of odd numbers, this doesn't really qualify since I have 4 things on the top, and it just looks a little less put together than the last footage that I showed you. So if I find something more appropriate, I will fix this. You already know my next tip, and that is to take advantage of the Dollar Tree. You'll see next to the candle, I have this sprig that was from the Dollar Tree. And then the whole tree next to it was DIY'd from the Dollar Tree. And then lastly, the nutcracker off in the back was also from the Dollar Tree. By the way, the candle is just a Yankee candle. I just turned the label facing away so it doesn't detract from the decor. And I had to show you this glimpse of it at night. This snow globe is new this year. I thought it was so cute. So I wanted to do a close-up and a little bit of a close-up of the nutcracker as well, since that was from the Dollar Tree. Continuing on with the Dollar Tree, almost all of my ornaments are from there. I'm pointing to all of them as you'll see here now. They're either from this year or last year, but if my ornament is not from the Dollar Tree, then it's from Big Lots or a Christmas tree shop. My last tip is to DIY and customize your decor to your needs. On this garland, I just zip tied these Dollar Tree picks to add a little touch of red, and it did just the job. I got this garland years ago. right after the Christmas season for about $5 from CVS. So keep your eyes peeled at stores like CVS too. We didn't get any Christmas cards yet, but when we do, we're ready with these custom magnets that I DIY'd last year for card holders. I love how they turned out, and I'll link the video down below. Alexa, turn off Christmas tree.
Okay.
That concludes my tips and Christmas tour. Please follow me on Instagram, Beating the Budget, and here is some bonus footage of cats.
She looks so sweet. Got a little video for my YouTube.